With our innovative multi-language chatbot flow feature, you can effortlessly create a chatbot that operates in multiple languages, all without the daunting task of managing an excessive number of gamuts at once. To utilize this setting, follow these steps. Navigate to the Configure tab located on the left side of the screen. Within the Configure section, select the Multilanguage tab. Here, you can choose the languages you wish your bot to support. After selecting the desired languages, click the Done option. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page after adding the languages. To make your chatbot multilingual, proceed with the following steps. Craft a new gambit or edit an existing one. Modify the input style of the gambit to select language. As you create or edit the gambit, you'll notice the language tabs displayed. Establish connections between all the branches and the subsequent gambit. Now your chatbot is primed to be multilingual. Simply input the desired messages within the language tabs, and your chatbot will be able to respond effectively in multiple languages.
To use chatbots in your own organization, book a free chatbot consultation at hellotars.com/demo or click the link in the video description. Again, that's hellotars.com/demo.